I'm Jessica Amir, a market strategist with the trading platform Moomoo. We all know stock picking can be tricky, and it's even trickier outperforming the market. But with us today is Firetrail. Firetrail is an esteemed investment manager set up by the former heads of Macquarie Equities. And Anthony Doyle is the head of investment strategy at Firetrail. To tell us more, Anthony, why don't you kick off by telling us about your outlook for equities for 2024?
Really optimistic about the outlook for equity markets over the course of the coming year. And there's a few reasons for that. One is that inflation has come down to more comfortable levels for central banks. And importantly, it's come down whilst the labour market has remained strong. So unemployment rates remain low. And what this means is that for the US consumer in particular, their real incomes will be rising. So it's a really positive development. And in an environment where the consumer is strengthening, economic growth should improve. And if there are any concerns around the outlook for economic growth or the labour market, well, the Fed has built up significant ammunition to reduce interest rates, which will further support risk assets like equity markets in the coming year.
What's your international stock pick for 2024?
We think that the leaders in the equity market will really reside outside of those magnificent 7 stocks that have driven equity markets in 2023. So the area of the market that we're most excited about today is really the mid-cap part of the market. And a great example of that is a company named AutoZone. It has a $47 billion market cap. It trades at around a market multiple, but importantly, they are in an environment, they are in a sector that is growing above the rate of GDP because of secular tailwinds. So AutoZone are the US's largest auto parts supplier, and they are gaining market share in the very important commercial sector and also the DIY sector as US citizens drive their cars for longer, given the environment of high interest rates.
What's your Aussie stock pick for 2024?
Yes, I have to talk about the Firetrail S3 Global Opportunities Fund, which is listed on the ASX with the ticker S3GO. For investors looking for a portfolio of 30 to 40 of the very best companies internationally, including both developed markets and emerging markets, mega caps, large caps, mid caps, small caps, S3GO is the product for them. Hand-selected, high conviction, concentrated. That is my top stock pick on the ASX.